Ever stop and think about what's really fueling your body every single day? Most people think it's just calories or maybe some fancy superfoods. But nope, it's all about 6 powerful nutrients. These nutrients are like your body's hidden superheroes. They keep your brain sharp, your heart strong, your muscles working, and your energy high. Imagine your body as a car. Calories are the fuel, but these 6 nutrients, they're the oil, the spark plugs, the whole engine. Without them, you're stuck on the side of the road. So today, let's break down each one, nice and easy. By the end, you'll know exactly what your body needs to feel awesome. First up, water. Over 60% of your body is water, and your brain is 75%. That means you're basically a water machine with legs. You can survive weeks without food, but only a few days without water. That's how critical it is. Water does it all, sharpens your focus, keeps your skin fresh, helps digestion, and flushes out toxins. Headaches, crankiness, dizziness, often just dehydration. Think of your brain like a phone battery. Skip water, and it's like running on 10%. Doesn't last long, right? Now let's talk vitamins, your body's defense squad. There are many, but the top 4 are A, B6, C, and D. A equals eyesight and immunity. B6 equals sharp brain and steady nerves. C equals quick healing and cold fighting power. D equals makes calcium stick to your bones. Miss these and you'll feel weak, slow, and more sickly. Eat your veggies, fruits, and soak up some sunlight, your body will thank you. Next is protein, the building block of life. It's not just in muscles, it's in your skin, hair, bones, and even hormones. About 16% of your body weight is protein. That's huge! Protein repairs tissues, fuels recovery after workouts, and keeps you full longer. Eggs, chicken, beans, nuts, these aren't just food, they're your body's bricks. No protein equals no power. Simple as that. Now on to fats. Surprise, they're not the enemy. The right fats actually protect you. They help absorb vitamins A, D, E, K, and even keep your brain sharp. Omega-3s from fish, walnuts, flax seeds? That's brain fuel. Sure, fried junk is bad, but healthy fats in moderation are lifesavers. Think of them as cushions for your organs and fuel for your mind. Time for minerals, the behind-the-scenes crew. 3 you really need: calcium, iron, and zinc. Calcium equals strong bones and teeth. Iron equals oxygen transport. Zinc equals faster healing and better immunity. Without minerals, you're weak, tired, and slow to recover. Milk, leafy greens, nuts, seeds, simple foods give you all 3. Last but not least, carbs. They've got a bad rep, but your brain and muscles love them. Whole grains, oats, fruits, veggies, steady energy without the crash. The trick? Avoid refined carbs like white bread and sugary drinks. Go for complex carbs, they're like a steady campfire instead of a match that burns out fast. So, water, vitamins, protein, fats, minerals, carbs, 6 nutrients you can't live without. Balance them and you'll feel healthier, stronger, and way more energized. Which one do you think you're missing most right now? Let me know in the comments, and hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You've got this, my friend. Person raising both hands in celebration.